I recently came across an article on the Madhava-Leibniz series that estimates the value of pi, and they both claim that this is their baby. What this says is that the value of pi can be calculated by using the following sequence of operations. A good way to think about this would be to imagine that just after an operation like 1 minus 1/3 is performed, the computer will remember the result at that point, and then it'll perform the next operation, plus 1/5, using the result of the prior operation or operations. So that's what happens with each term. And one more thing to notice. We start with a minus sign in front of the fraction and then alternate to plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. I reversed the signs in front of the last two terms, but it won't matter because the program is independent of this front cover sheet of explanation. It'll all work fine. So the number of the operations is in black. The calculated value of pi using this method is in blue, but that is then compared to the actual value of pi, which is in green, and then those are subtracted, and the difference between the calculated value using this formula and the actual value derived from this green thing here is printed out in red. So the program will continue running until the value of pi to 6 decimal places, I thought 6 was quite enough to burden you with, has been correctly calculated, and here we go. And it's telling you which term it's using right now. It's working on the 3rd decimal place, and this is the error between what it is estimated and the actual value of pi. Now, since it's going so slow, I mean, we're only on the 3rd decimal place. It hasn't even found that yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed it up so instead of taking, I think it's 5 terms at once, it's going to take 5,000 terms at once. Here we go. Now it's taking 5,000 terms at once. It has found the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th decimal places. It's only working on one more, and it only has a difference of 2. So it is going to find the 6th decimal place in just a second. But look at how many we've already done. Over 1 million terms or operations have been calculated, and we're still not there, but it'll get there.